See, Karnataka is the only state and only government which believes in the inclusive growth and opportunities for all sections of society, and particularly weaker sections of society. And we were the first state to give reservation in contracts to the SC/ST communities up to 1 crore. This is not for contracts, for huge contracts like 100 crore, 200 crore, 500 crore. This is small contractors should get, it was up to 50 lakhs, then it was enhanced up to 1 crore. Then we introduced this reservation for the backward classes, people who will do contracts up to 1 crore. And there is always also a demand and pressure from all the minorities, whether it is Christian, Muslim, Jain, Buddhist, Sikhs, all together, that likewise, like you have given it to SC/ST communities, small contractors, backward class communities, we are also a socially disempowered group. We should also be considered. So we have also given representation that small contracts, there should be some kind of a reservation for the minorities also. So the government might be considering our request, and we'll be happy if the government brings this. So when we gave it to Dalit communities, was it appeasement? When we give it to backward classes, was it appeasement? Likewise, giving it to minorities is also not appeasement, and minorities is not necessarily only Muslim. That is one. Two, if you see the contracting business as a whole, and if you go and see, do you see many Dalit faces being contractors? Do you see people from backward classes being contractors? Do you see people from minorities being contractors? If they are also, they are in a small number, 0.1%. Contracting is a business largely monopolized by the upper caste communities and major communities. So it is very necessary for the inclusive growth that every small community, disempowered community, marginalized communities should be given. That is why the Congress party government gave it to the Dalit minor contractors, backward classes minor contractors, and minority minor contractors are requesting. We are also requesting, and the government should consider the proposal seriously.